Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to schedule a text message on Samsung Mobile. First of all, go to your Samsung Mobile message app and go to the conversation, or to create a new conversation, tap on this message and just search for the contact in which contact you want to schedule a text message. So here's I'm selecting a random number, and now just tap on text message box and write here your message. And now you have to hard press on this send button, and here you will see the scheduling pop up. Now you can select any schedule option from here, and to pick a custom date and time, just tap here. And now from here you will be able to easily pick a custom date. Tap on next and select here custom time and just tap on send. And now just tap on send, and that's it. The message has been successfully scheduled. So this is how we can schedule text message on Samsung Mobile. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.